Ready to leave drag-and-drop website builders in the dust and step into the future of professional web creation? Then get ready, because today we're diving into Wix Studio, the advanced web creation platform designed for professionals like you. Forget limitations. Wix Studio gives you unparalleled design freedom. We're talking pixel-perfect control, advanced CSS grid layouts, and the ability to build truly unique and engaging web experiences. Need to push your site even further? Wix Studio provides the ability to make custom code integrations and custom JavaScript, and connect to almost any API. This unlocks limitless options to build something special. Collaboration is at the heart of Wix Studio. Seamlessly work with your team in real time, share feedback directly on the platform, and streamline your entire workflow from conception to launch. Plus, Wix Studio includes integrated client management tools. Send invoices, track your project's progress, communicate with your clients, and build lasting relationships, all in one place. Wix Studio empowers you to the next level. Build sophisticated, responsive websites that truly set you apart. It's time to unleash your creative vision and deliver exceptional results for your clients. Ready to explore Wix Studio for yourself? Find a link in the description below to start your journey. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more web development insights.